If you've ever dreamed of building a YouTube channel that grows fast and earns high RPM, then you should definitely learn from a channel like Boxlapse. This amazing creator has turned something incredibly simple, filming plant growth, into one of the most inspiring success stories on YouTube. Every video shows nature's magic in a few minutes, where a small seed slowly transforms into a beautiful plant or tree. It's calm, satisfying, and visually stunning. But behind that simplicity lies a powerful content strategy that every new YouTuber can learn from. The key to Boxlapse's success is how they turned patience into performance. Each time-lapse video compresses days, months, or even years of footage into just a few minutes of cinematic storytelling. There's no voiceover, no flashy editing, just nature doing its thing. This simplicity keeps viewers hooked till the end, which is one of the biggest secrets to high RPM and better ad revenue. Long watch time tells YouTube's algorithm that people love the content, and that's exactly why Boxlapse videos are constantly recommended and go viral again and again. Another reason this channel performs so well is that it focuses on an evergreen niche. Plants, nature, and growth are topics that never die. People from all over the world can connect with it. There's no language barrier, no cultural limit. That means global reach and higher monetization potential. Every upload from Boxlapse becomes timeless content that continues to earn views and revenue for years. It's the perfect example of work once, earn forever. For new YouTubers, this is a huge lesson. Pick a niche that lasts, something that will still be relevant a year from now.